Morning. Just a little coffee walk. We'll show you what's going on around the shop right now. This is my project. 1947 Crosley wagon that's going to get an LS and a 4L80E in it. Yes, I know. Everyone says it's too much motor for that little car. I know. I'm going to do it anyway. Let's see over here on the fab side. We got the remains of Tater's blown motor that I'm going to try to make a trophy out of. That's John's dwarf chassis. Doing a little freshen up on that. Y'all know what's going on over there. Over here on the other side, we got, let's see, that is the Class 1 ES car, affectionately dubbed the Mistress. John Harris's dwarf car that is for sale. Comment in the comment below if you're interested. He wants $7,500, including spares and a trailer. That's Nealon's daily, getting a water pump, timing belt. Mistress doesn't need much. She's basically ready to go. There's John Kremp's dwarf car. You saw his crash in an earlier video. That one's bent in the front end too. We're gonna put a clip in that one too. That's the Class 10 getting a full prep, getting ready. We replaced all the Heim joints, all of the plumbing, updated the lead nav system so it'll do voice commands in the driver's helmet. Did a freshen up on the trans. Motor will need a freshen up after the next race. This is the Jimco two-seater Class 1. Just got a new LS based engine put in, transmissions out over at Fortin, getting a freshen up. A lot of wiring and stuff yet to do to that. We got to swap over the spares package because what's on there now won't fit the LS stuff, so there's actually quite a bit to do to that. This car is a little lighter and more nimble than Mistress over there. Basically set up for different kind of racing. Then there's Tater. Porsche had Tater, but we're working on that. If you want to be a part of that, the GoFundMe link down below. Any proceeds that we get, we're going to go straight to rebuilding this car for Phil, retired Navy veteran who lives on a fixed income, and we're going to put his car back together for him. That is the motor that was replaced Friday night before he crashed Saturday. And in the crash, it got damaged. It's gonna need some work. Let's see, the taco-shaped radiator out of Tater and grill all damaged. So that's pretty much it. That's everything that's going on here at the shop. Good morning. It's a little chilly out here. If you guys have anything you want to see, then let us know. But we're gonna keep giving you updates. The jig is going well, and we're gonna put Tater up there on the next day or two and start rebuilding it. Thank you so much to people who have donated, especially Brett. Brett just recently donated all the metal we need, and he's gonna help out on the welding. There's been a bunch of people, and we appreciate every one of you. Stay tuned, lots of stuff coming. I'm Razz, this is Metal Manglers. We'll close this out with a little bonus video of cuteness.